Hey guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an incredible day today. I am just getting ready to go and take some photos, so I thought, why not film it, do a little get ready with me, and also I really wanted to film this because I ordered this like 3 weeks ago and it just came. And I'm so excited. It's like one of those really tight curling ones that gives you like really tight ringlets, which I know is going to look terrible on me, but I thought it would just be like a fun thing to do and like a funny thing once it's done. And I just wanted to see what it would look like. So I'm going to do that and I'm really excited. And also I don't know if you guys saw my like glow up video where literally everything went wrong and it was fucking absolute mess, but my eyebrows still haven't fully recovered, so I'm also going to be doing soap brows today. I don't know how that's gonna go, so let's do it, shall we? Sorry about my mirror. I always try and like, my mirror is always in it and I always try and get it out of it, but it's really hard. I have no freaking idea how to do this. I hate this eyebrow so much. Like, why is it so ugly? And it never looks nice. This eyebrow is my baby. This one can go fuck itself and die because I'm over it. And also it's really hot. Thank you very much. This eyebrow just does not know how to act. Maybe I don't know how to act. I've never been very good at like doing my brows. I don't know what to do while I let them dry. Imagine if I just made that the thumbnail, just me going, primer. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Becca Backlit Priming Filter. I went through a phase. So I started off my face by like not liking to touch my face at all. And then I went into a phase where I liked to like almost exclusively apply my makeup with my hand so that it looked more natural. And now I'm back to that place where I just don't like it. Like, I'll probably do it if I have to, but I just don't like it because, not because it's touching my face, but because it gets all makeup-y and then I have to go to the bathroom multiple times to wash my hands over and over again. First world problems, honestly. I need to shut up. And also, my hand tan is so bad because my tan somehow sunk through my tanning mitt. And now I'm left with this situation. I'm just about ready to shave my fucking eyebrows off. I genuinely can't deal. I'm so bad at them. For foundation, I'm going to be using my handy dandy Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. And honestly, like, genuinely, why do companies make their like names of their products so long? Anyway, this is in the shade Tawny. I'm about to film a clothing haul after this and I'm so excited. And also, look, my fungal infection is finally gone and now it's just like a little healing scar. I am filming a haul after this. I have so many cute clothes to show you guys. Wow, like I actually think you're gonna be obsessed. And there's been so many sales on. How good. But yeah, obviously I've been getting a few packages of the stuff I've ordered and my delivery driver was like actually thanking me for ordering. He was like, keep it coming. I don't know, I just thought that was funny. Honestly, shout out to delivery drivers right now. Like, I can't imagine how overwhelmed they are. I know in Australia, like most packages are late, like super late. Must just be such a crazy busy time for them and everyone. My favorite concealer of all time. This is the Becca Upper Luminous Concealer in the shade Beige, which is honestly so hard to get in Australia. Oh my god, so much concealer. Oopsies. But I feel like this one like blends out a lot. Also, in my self-isolation state, I started watching Grey's Anatomy, which is something I never thought I'd do. And honestly, I'm kind of obsessed. I just got up to the part where Meredith finds out about McDreamy and I was shook. But anyway, what kind of, like, I'm genuinely curious as to what have you guys been up to? Have you been doing anything that you normally wouldn't do? I know I've been cooking and baking heaps. I'm actually just about to go and make some scones after this. I also ordered a pottery set. I ordered it like a month ago, but it should be getting here on Monday, which I'm so excited about. For my contour and bronzer-ish contour bronze thing, I kind of use them for both. I'm using my Fenty Matchsticks. This one is in the shade Mocha. Kerry and I spent 12 hours the other day making ramen from scratch because we miss Tara so much. I'll have to like put a little photo up on the screen of how good it turned out. I mean, it wasn't Tara's because nothing beats Tara's, but damn, for our first time making proper ramen, I think we probably hit the nail on the head there. Oh, and on top of Grey's Anatomy, I also started watching Teen Wolf. It's a good show, but it's it's so funny when they're like people and they start running like little horse girls. I think for blush, I'm just gonna do like, what the fuck's it called? Powder blush. Because I want to go for a soft glam look, but I actually don't even know how to do a soft glam look, so let's see. I always get confused and scared by my Laura Mercier powder now because one time I accidentally used the like luminance one, which I didn't even know was a thing. I got it in PR. I had no idea they had a luminance one. I thought it was just a regular one and I put it all over my face and I looked ridiculous. So now I'm always, I read the packaging like 10 times over to make sure it's not that. But I'm gonna go first in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Medium. This powder is just like the best thing that ever happened to my entire life. Thank you. And then I think because I'm doing like a soft glam look, I want to like bake a little bit. I don't know. I haven't baked in years. I cannot tell you the last time I baked my face. It was so long ago. But let's give it a whirl, shall we? That classic face. I'm actually scared this is gonna make me look like shit, so I'm not gonna do it for long. Let's do my nose. Oh, I went too low. Okay, let's do eye makeup, shall we? Yes, the answer is yes. And I think because I'm doing a soft glam look, then I'm gonna use the soft glam palette because that makes sense, right? Right. I think if you ask me, that would make sense. And I'll be yours until the falls from the sky. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quit YouTube and I'm gonna become a singer because clearly I'm really good at that. Baby, I'm yours and I'll be yours until the sky. I'm gonna go in with burnt orange, I think. I think now might be the best time to wipe off this bake. I just don't want it to like go fucked, you know? And I want it to like look really shit. Okay, so I don't know if I've ever told this story on my channel, but I didn't wear makeup up until I was 18 because I thought I didn't suit it. So my first video on my channel, which is my everyday makeup routine, it's actually the second video on my channel. The first one was like a get to know me and it's the cringiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, so it's on private. But my everyday makeup routine was actually one of the first times I ever did my own makeup. And the reason I did an everyday makeup tutorial is, even though it was like the first time I'd ever done my own makeup, is because my friend wanted to do YouTube, but she didn't want to do it alone. So we both filmed like an everyday makeup tutorial and I knew nothing about YouTube. I didn't watch it. I didn't know anything about it. So I just kind of went with the flow, did what she did. By the way, I'm now going to use this shade here called Rustic. Anyway, now, moral of the story, or the reason I'm telling the story is not to be like, I wasn't like other girls, I didn't wear makeup until I was 18. It's because the reason I didn't think I suited makeup is because, okay, so I wanted to wear makeup. I googled makeup tutorial and it was all Lauren Curtis videos. I feel like she was like it back then when I did this. And it came up with this like drugstore black smoky eye, and I was like, wow, that looks phenomenal. She looks beautiful. I'm gonna do it. So Dad and I went to Priceline. We bought literally everything in the video so that I could do it and I could do my makeup, and I put it on, and you know, I had never done my makeup before in my life at this point, and I started off with a black smoky eye, and as you would expect, it looked like absolute shit. So I was like, oh, I just don't suit eye makeup, I think. So when I went to go and get like my semi-formal makeup done, I literally told them, I was like, please, can we like not do any eyeshadow because I really don't suit it. And I was like, I also don't really suit lipstick, so if we could like not do lipstick. But then she put a red lipstick on me anyway. But yeah, I was like, the makeup artist must have been looking at me like, you're an idiot. The fact that I was genuinely so bad at makeup that I thought it didn't suit me, instead of thinking, oh, I'm just bad at makeup. And I started off with a black smoky eye. Like, are you kidding me? Okie dokie. Now, I think I'm going to use Cypress Umber, which is like a really deep chocolatey brown, to do like a smoky line on my lash line. And then just under that, like really close to my lash, I'm gonna add some black. I honestly just like, I don't even think I could live without doing my lash line. I think it just makes my eyes look so much better because my eyes kind of slope down, so I need to like slope them up. For bronzer, I'm using my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. This is in the shade 102 Tan Trick. For my blush today, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. This one is in the shade Ginger. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this one from Jouer. It is in the shade Skinny Dip. I'm going to use this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Iconic Nude. I'm using the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I usually always use my Waterproof Better Than Sex mascara because it's the only thing that keeps my straight ass lashes curled, but I got a lash lift. This lipstick is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Penelope Pink. And I'm also going to put a little bit of gloss on top because I just have to. Sorry, I don't make the rules. I think this makeup actually turned out so good. It's been so long since I've done anything but like super duper 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 natural makeup. Okay, bitches, it's hair time. I'm so excited. No. It's American. Okay. I don't even know how to brush it out. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck? I mean, like, I knew it would look bad, but... Oh god. Somebody help me. That's the end of the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching me fuck myself. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright. Cheers.